At Italy, I studied political science as a bachelor degree, and I did my thesis about entrepreneurship. I'm really interested on MSDGs because I really think that this is part of our future, our collective future. It is a real way to develop our society in the future and to sustain the well-being of the planet Earth.
So my name is Renata Carolina Scharello. I'm Brazilian environmental engineer. I study also renewable energies and work in consultancy, and I believe that SDGs are actually a solution for the problems that we face today in the industry, business, and it's a way to make people live a better life.
This is my first year at LUMSA University, and my experience here is wonderful. I like this environment, I like people. Really glad to have found a nice place to study and to develop my skills and to deepening my studies. FS is a great opportunity for me to really connect with a real working place.
Well, for the internship, I expect to apply all the knowledge that I have learned not only in the university but also in the work experience. For those interested in a better world or building a better society, living a better life, it would be very interesting to attend to this master, not only because of job opportunities but also because it makes you aware of the world that you're living in and what you can do to contribute to the better world.